Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you love to keep your spaces organized like I do, you're gonna wanna check out this under the sink organizer from POKIPO. It's very simple and straightforward to put together. It comes with clear directions and everything you need to put it together, even some extra pieces, which I thought was very thoughtful in case you lose some screws. This organizer is so great because you can slide it out and reach the things all the way in the back. That way you get the most use of your things. It has a smaller drawer up top, which is really convenient for sponges, brushes, and things like that. And the bottom is a nice size to fit the bigger bottles. You can move the top drawer up or down depending on how much space you have, but you can really fit so much in this under sink organizer. So if you're in the market for an organizer to put under your sink, in your cabinet, whether it be in your bathroom or kitchen, definitely check this one out from POKIPO. It's gonna keep everything in its place, gonna be easy to access, and you're gonna love it. That's my point of view.